morning. Just heading out on another hike in the Blue Mountains. I'm here at Jelly Bean Pool where I'm kind of starting my walk, and I'm going to be doing some exploring around the Glenbrook area and just sort of south of Glenbrook towards Erskine Creek and out towards the Nepean River. So I'm just doing a short overnighter. We'll be hiking down, just sort of camping in the bush, and then heading back tomorrow. So yeah, should be a good day. It's getting late in the day. It's about 2 o'clock now. I haven't done much filming so far because I've mostly just been on like fire trails and mountain bike tracks, so there hasn't been much to look at. We're just heading out to the Nepean lookout. I'll probably have a late lunch there, and then I'll head back along this track and then head down towards the Jack Heavens trail and probably camp somewhere along Erskine Creek. Having a toasted bagel stove. I tell you what, makes a big difference having them toasted. Beautiful. Well, that was a nice little lunch stop. Although it's about 2:30, so it's pretty late. Yeah, it's been a good day. Weather's been nice. The trail hasn't been all that exciting, although that lookout was really good. So now I'm heading back up Nepean Lookout Road or Trail, and I head down to Jack Evans Track and see if I can find somewhere to camp, somewhere nice by the river, hopefully. Just scouting for campsites at the moment. Oh wow, look at this rock fall. Wow, good reason not to camp too close to the rocks. Imagine that. Imagine you set up camp just here and that came down on top of you. Oh. Well, if you're in a tent, plenty of flat ground. Aha! Perfect. Oh, this looks like a pretty good spot. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to, I could probably hammock camp or even just throw the mat out on the ground here on some sand. Yeah, see how we go. Well, I better get set up. Oh, that's invigorating. Oh, that's good. But man, what a spot. This is just perfect. I got the whole place to myself. It's yeah, really nice. So I've got a trail pail which seems appropriate for today. From the Capital Brewing Co. Let's give this a go. Oh yeah, it's good. It's good. Nice, some people coming down the hill. Just wanted to have an early snack because it gets dark pretty early here now, middle of winter. So those people that came down here earlier when I was just having a break, looks like they were geocachers because they sort of came down here and then they wandered around looking for something with a GPS. So must be a geocache around here somewhere. I suppose it's starting to get a bit late now, so hopefully I've got the place to myself now. Just got some pasta on the boil. The cockatoos were noisy earlier. They just screeching and making a hell of a racket. This is a perfect night. The birds are starting to quieten down, and they were noisy earlier. Got the fire going, having a bit of something to eat. What's the time? It's only 10 to 6. One thing about camping in winter is you tend to eat early and go to bed early. I think I'll sit up and watch the fire and the stars tonight, I think. Just been lying here at night, got my airbed out and sitting by the fire and looking at the stars, and such a mild night. It's just amazing. I'd take some photos of the stars, but the camera just wouldn't do it justice. It's I mean, even being so close to the city, the light pollution doesn't seem that bad. There's just like thousands of stars. It's just that's amazing.
Good morning. I slept pretty well last night. It was a little bit cool, but wasn't too bad. I didn't need to put up a tarp over my my hammock because I suppose I'm just under the tree here. But yeah, it wasn't raining. It didn't seem to be a heavy dew or anything. Yeah, it was so nice lying out next to the. I put my airbed down on the ground and just laying out, looking up at the stars, sitting by the fire. It was just magical. It's really good. Feels like I've been on holidays or something, and it's only a weekend, so it's good just to get away and have a short break. Get out and get a bit of exercise. So it's been a good time. But I should be getting up and have some breakfast. Yes, I should. Let's do that. This is my camp setup. I got my hammock. This is my bag. And just the river's over there. Another perfect day. The sun's just starting to come up. Alright, I'm all packed up. Time to get going. Whoa, slippery. I've just come up the road from where I was camping earlier, and I'm now at Pisgah Rock. I'm just going to pop out here to have a look at the lookout, and apparently there's a cave out here as well, so I'll check that out as well. Wow, look at that. Geocache box. Well, I've had a fantastic break. The rest of the walk from here out is just kind of following the road, so I probably won't video much there, so I might sign off here. But yeah, what an amazing spot. There's a great campsite, great little walk, and yeah, it's just really close to Sydney as well, just not far from Glenbrook. So I'm going to head off now. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.